My name is Atul Kodov, USN 1VE23IA006, Semester 3rd, Subject Books with Java, Department Information Science and Engineering. So today is my topic is overloading methods in Java. Method overloading is a fundamental concept in Java that allows you to define multiple methods with the same name but different parameters. This powerful feature enhances code reusability and simplifies development by providing a way to perform similar operation with varying inputs. What is method overloading? Same name, different parameters. Method with the same name but varying parameter lists such as different data types or a different number of parameters are called overloaded methods. Second, flexibility and reusability. Overloading allows you to create methods that perform similar tasks while adapting to different input scenarios, promoting code reusability and clarity. Third, compile time resolution. Java resolves overloaded method calls during compilation by matching the arguments passed with the parameter list of the available overloaded methods. Why use method overloading? Code reusability. Reduce redundant code by sharing a single method name for multiple operations, simplifying the code base and improving maintainability. Enhanced readability. Improves code readability by using descriptive method names while providing clear parameter variations for different use cases. Flexibility and adaptability allows methods to handle various data types or input combinations, making code more adaptable to changing requirements and future updates. Are the number of arguments overloading rules in Java? Return type does not matter. Method overloading is determined by the parameter list, not the return type. Two methods with the same name but different return types are not considered overloaded. Parameter types must differ. Overloaded methods must have different parameters, type of different number of parameters to be distinguished by the Java compiler. Parameter order matters. Methods with the same number and types of parameter but in a different order are considered distinct overloaded methods. Overloading constructors. Constructor overloading allows a class to have a multiple constructor with different parameter list, enabling flexible object initialization. Flexibility offers various ways to create objects with different initial values for instance variables. Code clarity improves code readability and maintainability by separating initialization logic based on specific input requirements. Resolving method overloading calls. First, compile time resolution. Java compiler resolved overloaded methods called during compilation. Identify the correct method based on the number and type of arguments provided. Second, matching parameter types. The compiler searches for a method with a matching parameter list considering both the number and the types of parameter passed in the method call. Ambiguity resolution. If the compiler finds multiple methods with the matching parameter list, it chooses the method with the most specific parameter type. This is known as most specific method resolution. Code advantages of method overloading. Code reusability. Reduce redundant code by sharing a single method name for multiple operations, leading to a more concise and maintainable code base. Enhanced readability improves code readability by using descriptive method names while providing clear parameter variation for different use cases. Flexibility and adaptability allows method to handle various type of inputs combination, making code more adaptable to changing requirements and further updates. Difference between method overloading and overriding. Overloading multiple methods with the same name but different parameter list within the same class. Overriding a subclass method with the same name, return type, and parameter as a superclass method, enabling polymorphism through runtime method dispatch. Best practices for method overloading. Meaningful method names. Choose method names that clearly describe the operation performed, even if overloaded, for enhanced readability and understanding. Two consistent parameter types. Use consistent parameter type of overloaded method with similar functionality to avoid confusion and potential errors. Limited overloading. Avoid excessive overloading as it can lead to complex code and make method calls difficult to interrupt. Overloading pitfalls to avoid. Ambiguity. Avoid overloading methods with ambiguous parameter lists that lead to compile time error due to multiple matching methods. Overuse, excessive overloading can result in confusing code and increase the likelihood of errors, especially when dealing with multiple overloaded methods. Using vague or misleading method name can make it difficult to understand the intended functionality of overloading.